wanted to show you the beginnings of my next piece. I'm using a metal screen to create the design, and then we'll go over it with plaster relief. Follow along and see what's going to turn out as. You see the drawing? This is the process to strengthen the structure and still keep it lightweight. This sticks really well to the screen, and when you put your plaster over it, it helps keep it nice and strong so that it doesn't bend or break while it's being moved, maybe from one location to another. Okay, the next step, putting the plaster mix on it. Several ingredients in here. Not too thick of a layer, I'm just trying to stiffen it up more. And it does have to be sprayed first so that it has time to cure before it dries, or the whatever's underneath will suck all the water out of it before it has time to cure. It's very important when you're doing layers. A little bump there, get rid of that. I'm not too worried about this being smooth. There's another layer coming. Pretty cool, huh?